roller coaster I can't get away from.
No, you're stuck now.
Mm.
All right. We're off.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
If we crash, I swear. Oh my god.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
It's not that bad, is it? Now you put your visor down now.
Yeah, I'm putting it down.
Yeah, okay. You're on a horse.
Oh my gosh, I wish I was her right now.
Nah. See, that's horse riding's more dangerous than this.
No, it isn't.
It's a long way to fall off a horse. You got to lean left.
Yeah, I am.
All right. Off we go.
Oh my god. Oh.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh, we made it around.
Uh-huh. What are these roundabouts gonna be like?
They're the fun bits.
Like...
Nice afternoon though. When Sam and I came out the other day, it was freezing.
Yeah, it's not that bad actually.
No, the sun's good.
Yeah.
I'm getting better at the gear changes, but you've got to use your heel
Yeah.
on the gear thing, gear
Right.
lever. There's a heel and toe thing, which not all motorbikes have.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, we're recording now. All right, well, you can have this speed bump.
Oh my god.
There you go. That's your one.
Oh,
Whee!
damn it, it was a pothole.
I'll try and lift the chair over this one.
With what? Mate, oh my god!
Hey, there you go. Was that better?
Kind of.
That was my first attempted chair lift.
Don't try it with me!
There you go. There you go. You were my first attempted chair lift.
Oh my god.
Okay, good day viewers. We're just out testing handlebar position. So I've turned the handlebars down a little bit so it's not breaking my ankle, my wrists. And oh, he's on the phone. I hope he's okay, that bloke. And my tyre pressure sensors and so on, and just practicing cornering and gear changing and so on. And we're getting better, and adjusting the steering dampener. I've got it three steps away from zero dampening, and I think it's a little bit better. I've also positioned the weight a bit better. I did have 40 kilos in the boot, so now I've got 20 kilos in the boot and 40 kilos in the chair. I don't have any of my crash test dummies with me today, so I've just got weight in the chair just for practicing and my own peace of mind. There's a big truck coming here. So yeah, it seems to be handling a lot better today, so I'm just getting used to that. Away we go across the little bridge, and I'm getting better at the heel and toe gear lever business, and just general riding and negotiating corners. Here we go with a hairpin bend. Around we go. Whee! No dramas. Now, if I did that a couple of days ago, I would have got stuck on that corner probably. So we're going a lot better already. A little bit tighter than I thought. Occasionally I miss a gear when I'm concentrating on where I'm going rather than the heel and toe business. So sometimes. I get used to wearing my boots, get the feel for it, but I'm getting better. So it depends on the position of my foot, whether I've got it too far forward or back. If I get it right or not. Brake pedal, it's a little bit high, so I've got to keep my foot off that. There is a bit of play in it, so I'm not going to drag the brake, I don't think, but it's just a matter of getting used to the ergonomics. Maybe make some adjustments and so on as I go, but we'll just ride it as is now. And just getting the weight right has helped. Tyre pressure's right, and we're feeling a bit more confident getting there. So, if we go down here, what's going on here? There's a dog on the road, is there? 2 dogs on the road. What are you naughty dogs doing? Hey, you two. What are you doing? You should get home. Go on. Oh, they're big dogs. Probably leave those big fellas alone. Crikey. See big dogs like that out on the road on their own. They must have dug their way out. Now, it wouldn't be too often that the Ural would be faster, but I think we're faster than this car going around these corners. Not often. And up we go. He can run interference or us up the 1 lane part next to the rocks here. Me to go around. Right. Oh, the Ural overtaking. 1 lane here, I think. This could be disastrous. Anyone coming? No. I want to go off into the rocks. Right over the bridge if no one's coming. Yeah, oh, someone's screaming down there. Oh, another one. Right, we made it. Your little smelling oats here. She wants to go faster. These bouncy roads are a bit hard. Nice little spurt of speed. Then we're back in civilization. End of the little pretend holiday.
Recording.
Okay, we're recording now. I forgot to put the camera on.
Oh, that's okay.
So, you've how has your first trip in the Ural been?
Oh, it's been good fun.
Yeah.
Seen some lovely bush.
Yeah. Plenty of galahs.
Yeah, some galahs, some lovely rosellas.
And it wasn't too bumpy.
No, it wasn't too bumpy. It's nice and roomy here. I can stretch my legs out.
And now you're warm enough. You've got the extra layer on.
Yeah, now I'm warm enough. Yep.
Yeah,
I just need to adjust my helmet a bit. I think I need to do up the chin strap a bit tighter.
Right.
But that's all right. I'll get the knack of it all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually feeling a bit hot now.
Yeah, hot when we stop.
Yeah.
When there's no wind chill.
Yep.
but you feel safe in there.
Yeah, I feel safe. I still think they should have a seatbelt. Because if you stop suddenly, I'd just go out.
Yeah, well, if it was that sudden, I'd go out too, probably.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I
that
don't stop sudden, really.
that's the only design thing I'd change.
Yeah. I would want to be strapped in there just in case we rolled over or something.
You wouldn't.
No, you'd want to
Oh,
want to have a chance to get out.
yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Or as we went off the side of the bridge into the river, you'd want to be able to jump out and
Don't
swim
say
away before you hit the water,
Yeah, true.
like in some action movie.
Yep. Do your fingers get a bit sore from, like, you know how the gloves bend a bit?
Yeah. Oh, but they're not worn in yet, those gloves. You'd have to hang
Yeah.
on so tight, probably.
Probably. I need to relax a bit more.
Yeah. Yeah, you're probably white knuckling it. Well, that's it, viewers. Beautiful sunny afternoon.
Yep.
We're getting home in time to watch the footy.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Bye.